Hey photographers, I am interested in the new and unusual, products that offer features and capabilities not found elsewhere. So when Sirui, and I hope that's an acceptable pronunciation, suggested that I might like to review their new bendable light, I accepted. As it shipped from China, Sirui indicated that I should keep this fixture. However, they did not pay me, didn't see the script or the video before posting. This is the 2-light Sirui Dragon kit, B25RD. A single fixture kit is also available. It's articulated and bendable, curving in about 90 degrees, a little less outwards. Now in the box there are 2 panels, about 58 centimeters long, 8 centimeters wide, 3 centimeters deep. Each weighs just under a kilo. And I've already put one to use. It's the only luminaire illuminating this scene, including the keyed window behind me. Now mounted vertically with a slight curve, it goes from about here to about here, providing a soft, even light. I've added a reflector on this side for fill. Now backlight and direct illumination on the window would improve the scene, but for a single light, I'm very impressed. So there's a larger panel at either end, about 13 centimeters, 7 smaller ones, about 4 centimeters in between. Comes with 2 power supplies and an integrated 1.5 meter cable that plugs into the panel and a detachable 1.5 meter cable that connects to the wall. In a box labeled bracket A clamp that will hold one or both panels, and in a second box, bracket B, a magic arm-like adapter which provides additional flexibility for mounting on a C-stand. Now there is no stand or carry case provided. So at full illumination, they use about 25 watts each, providing 1000 lux at half a meter. 2 panels can slide and snap together for mounting, but there's no electrical connection between them. They remain completely independent. The end of each unit fixture has a battery compartment for the standard NPF-style battery, a connector for the 9-volt power supply, and a power switch selecting battery or wall power. There's also a small LCD for device status, battery level, mode, correlated color temperature in Kelvin, and brightness. 4 control keys, M to set the mode, Fun to select an option, and then up and down to set the option. The lights can also be controlled with a free iOS or Android app. The app finds the light, and in addition to sliders for the settings, it provides presets for light level and color temperature, as well as an on-off switch. Additional panels can select colors using the HSI or RGB models. And there's a custom panel and a panel with 13 of the 16 effects listed in the manual, each with A, B, and C options. For fire, the manual indicates that they represent firewood, campfire, and fire hazard. Better take my shoes out of the cellophane before they scorch. And a color picker. Just point the phone's camera at a color and snap. The app includes an instruction manual for all of the supported Sirui fixtures, as well as a manual for the app. Couldn't find the PDF version of the manual for the Dragon lights on Sirui's website, but they sent it to me when I asked. Now, according to the manual, the color rendering index, the CRI, is 98, where the maximum or ideal is 100, and the television lighting consistency index, the TLCI, is 96. Again, 100 is the max. Generally, ratings over 85 would not need color correction. So the quick release plate from bracket A can be mounted using the 1/4-inch mount on the center unit, and there's a 1/4-inch mount on one end of the power panel. The manual doesn't indicate if that's suitable for mounting. Level sets from 0 to 100 in 1-step increments, K value from 2700 to 8500 in 100-step increments, as well as a feature not often seen at this price, a green-magenta shift. Let me demonstrate. With a single unit light about a meter from the chart, I've set it to 50% and 5200K. I've set the exposure for a centered matrix meter reading. Sunlight white balance. Now it provides a nicer, more even light across the chart than my other lights. Turning intensity down to 2 drops 2 stops. Up to 100 is 1/3 stop up. The A74's custom white balance thinks that the white balance is 5000 and makes a small magenta correction. Testing the whole range, lower values are closer to accurate, the highest are slightly low. A setting of 3000 reads 3000, 6500 is 6000. But that's actually a higher degree of accuracy than my other lights. The green magenta adjustment goes from -50 to +50 in single unit steps. I'm not sure if you can see the difference. No correction is offered at -50, 2 units magenta at +50. So let's demo some of these features. How's this for candlelight? This is TV. And this is flash. This is police car, fire truck, and ambulance. So, powerful enough for studio use, but also very useful for tabletop work, where the flexibility enables easy adjustment, wrapping lights around the Fujifilm X-T5 for an upcoming review. As I said, I get to keep these lights, but Sirui did not pay me. Tell me what to say or review the contents of this video before posting. I think I'll continue to use these lights for my studio shoots, and as demonstrated, they seem particularly useful for tabletop work. Then, thanks to the members of this channel, I don't have to read you any ads, and I've disabled YouTube's ad interruptions in the middle of my videos. There's a join button below if you'd like to be a member. But subscribing remains free. All of my videos are available to everyone. I reply to civil comments and relevant questions. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.